Hello, good morning, Karen.
Hi, sir.
Hi, how are you?
Fine.
Fine. Okay. So, is it anything with school, your homework? Do you have homework?
Mm, that's it.
What? Sorry.
I have done it.
You have done it? Okay. What kind of homework you have?
Math, sometimes English, or sometimes like projects.
Projects, math, English. The English one? What do you make the English one?
English one is like about verbs.
About verbs. Okay. Did you making story? Sometimes making like a story in English, storytelling, maybe
Yeah, but it's like some sort of a quiz. It makes story.
some sort of quiz. Oh yeah,
Mm,
I wonder in your school, do you use bilingual language or just English?
Use English, bahasa, and also Hokkien.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. Okay, so today our lesson is about creating a story, but it's not just a story, but it's a story about a game. Do you play games?
Yeah.
Did you play games? What kind of games do you playing?
Roblox, Brawl Stars,
Roblox, Brawl Stars.
and then sometimes Mobile Legends and Um, I think,
How about like story games? You know, the adventurous games, story games, like the games
yeah,
that
that one I play in Roblox.
you play at Roblox. Okay. I mean like a game like it has a backstory about it, about like
Yeah, like
maybe
backstory, like how?
backstory is like what kind of games? GTA?
Oh, oh,
Do you know GTA? Yeah, GTA has a backstory, right? About a character,
yeah,
about a person, how they conflict with the other character.
yeah. Some Roblox
Some books.
also have that.
Okay, good. Besides GTA, there is like what's game story? Red Dead Redemption, if you know Red Dead Redemption, it have a
Mm.
backstory, and then Call of Duty. You, I don't think you play Call of Duty.
I used to,
You used to. So
yeah, with my friends.
like that kind of sort of games have a backstory about their character. Okay,
Backstory, but it's just like fighting and guns.
backstory is like no, backstory is about apa ya? Latar belakang dari karakter tuh. The the character the character how they build the character. It's like a movie how they build the character. Karakter ini seperti apa sih? Apakah dia orangnya pendendam? Apakah dia orangnya pengen pengen apa gitu? Jadi every game has a backstory, and the backstory is turning them into their goals, turning them into goals of their games. Jadi dari backstory itu game akan menuntun player sampai ke tujuan
Huh?
dari. Jadi dari backstory itu si gamenya ini akan menuntun player sampai ke goalsnya, sampai ke tujuan.
Yes.
Nah, and then today we will create a backstory about the game. Okay, we will create story.
So we will create it using ChatGPT.
Mhm, sure. We will try to create it using ChatGPT. Wait, I'm gonna share my screen. So our main topic is about creating synopsis of the story, and we will learn step-by-step process how to make a story for a game. Okay, all right. So I'm gonna review you a little bit. We already had like 3 lessons or 2 lessons
Yeah.
actually. What do you remember the most
About AI,
about AI? Yeah, I mean like
like the generator or whatsoever,
mm,
and then the app that have AI, and also how to make like check if the homework is correct or yeah,
mhm. How to make
and
letter,
the yeah,
how to make a chat to your teacher,
yeah,
how,
yeah,
how to
say
make
that.
questions. Yeah.
Yeah.
Did you apply it in your everyday life?
No,
No, not yet. Okay, I'm sure you will use it in
not yet.
your everyday life later. Okay. So why we need stories? Why we have to create and tell stories? What do you think? Why do people like stories?
Because it's interesting sometimes.
Yeah, it's interesting. It has like imagination things. Yeah. So the human brain perceive information better in the form of a story. Otak manusia itu akan menerima informasi dengan dalam bentuk cerita. For example, you have a math subject. A math subject has like story question, right?
Yeah.
Story question. Kayak kayak Budi punya 3 apel, terus apelnya diambil oleh Adi kayak gitu-gitu. So the human brains it works best and perceive information based on stories. And then storytelling is one of the most important professional skills you will use like public speaking, development of social
Yeah.
networks, and product advertising. And today in class, we will learn what text game is. Jadi kita bukan buat game, tapi kita buat games yang bentuknya teks. Kita nggak buat game secara langsung, kita buat games yang bentuknya adalah teks gitu ya. And we will find out what a setting and a game lore. Have you heard about a game lore before?
No.
Game lore. Jadi game lore itu sama kayak backstory. A game
Oh,
a game is always have a character, right? Jadi misalnya
yeah.
Mobile Legends karakternya kan banyak. Mobile Legends have like, for example, what is your favorite hero in Mobile Legends?
Uh, Eudora.
Eudora, oke. Jadi Eudora have a backstory about Eudora. Jadi Eudora itu adalah apa misalnya? Oh, dia adalah dewa petir yang bisa mengeluarkan
Yeah.
petir. Nah, backstory-nya kayak gimana? Gimana dia bisa dapat kekuatan petir itu? Nah, kayak gitu. Itu namanya game lore. Oke, get it? Oke. Now today
Hmm?
besides ChatGPT, today we also learn about Miro. Miro. Jadi Miro itu adalah website app. Uh, it used to be like planning things, like planning board. Jadi kita bisa pasang
Yeah.
planning, kayak kita bisa tempel sticky board, kita bisa tulis-tulis apa yang kita rencanain kayak gitu. So the first one, what are text games? Apa sih text game itu? Nah, so text games is like a player interacts with the game world through text. Jadi dia cuma baca aja, dia cuma teks aja. Nggak ada animasinya, nggak ada karakternya. Ada karakternya, tapi karakternya diceritain dalam bentuk teks. So in the text games, They always have like decisions. Kayak ada pilihan, kayak ada option. Pilihannya mau lanjut ke yang mana? Apakah lanjut pilihan A, apakah lanjut pilihan B? And
Oh ya.
every option is different. Setiap option itu different. Apakah option A yang lebih bagus, apakah option B yang lebih bagus? Itu akan tergantung pilihan kita sendiri. So it's text game.
Hmm.
Hmm, okay. It's not important. It's not important game. No, 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 no. Okay. So in the real world, di dunia nyata, ya, di dunia industri,
Ya.
uh, the process of creating a story for a game, it has like two people or ada dua job atau ada dua orang ya yang
Yep.
yang membuat story dari video game, yang membuat story dari game-game tersebut. Story dari Mobile Legends, story dari GTA. It's called a script writer and a narrative designer. Script writer and narrative designer. Okay. So basically, a script writer is responsible for the content. Jadi script writer bakal decides what will the story be about, who will be the main and
Oh.
secondary characters, and what will the character says. Jadi script writer ini kayak
So
penulis
like basically the story writer.
story writer kayak kayak penulis film atau penulis buku gitu. Gitu istilahnya script writer. And then the second job or second person is called a narrative designer. So the narrative designer decides how will the player interact with the story, how can we make sure the player doesn't get bored, how to make a player choice meaningful. Jadi dari dua job ini, script writer dan narrative designer, bedanya itu kalau script writer itu fokus on the game, okay? Focus everything on the game. And
Ya.
the narrative designer itu fokus ke player, pemainnya, pemain gamenya. Jadi dari
Oh.
cerita yang scriptwriter buat, from the scriptwriter made, terus narrative designer ini bakal research, oh ini nih ceritanya terlalu membosenin buat playernya, oh ini ceritanya nggak cocok buat anak-anak misalnya, oh this is not suitable for for playing games too long, terlalu ceritanya terlalu bertele-tele dan sebagainya dan sebagainya, kayak gitu.
Hmm?
Okay, you have anything to ask between scriptwriter and narrative designer before?
No.
No? Yeah. Mm, yeah, this is an example. Scriptwriter and narrative designer working on dialogues in Minecraft story mode. I'm sure Roblox has it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's the same thing. So it makes by scriptwriter and narrative designer too. Okay, so this is the process of creating a story for a game. There's like six stages, I believe. The first stage is for formulating an idea, and then second one is creating characters. Stage three
Yeah.
is elaborating the game plot. Stage four, writing guests and dialogues. Stage 5 and 6, creating a visual and audio accompaniment.
Hmm?
Okay. And then I want you to introduce to Miro, actually.
Miro in Google one.
So the Miro, like I said, kayak apa ya? Kayak whiteboard. Bentuknya dia kayak whiteboard, kayak papan tulis. Nah, papan tulis itu kita bisa bebas atur, bisa tulis, bisa kasih sticky notes, bisa kasih panah. Jadi gunanya itu biasanya kalau di profesional untuk bikin alur gitu, bikin alur. other pekerjaan. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So you don't need to share screen. I need you to go to Miro.com and make sure you have
Really,
register with your
.com.
just register,
Okay.
sign up, register.
Uh, can I sign up for free?
Yeah, sign up for free because it's actually free.
It's in it. Email. I'll continue it. Good.
Just sign up, okay? Just sign up, and we will go back to Zoom again.
Huh? Don't know how to sign in.
You already sign in?
No. It just need like email.
Yeah, you log in with your email.
Wait, let me see the email.
Just use Google.
Yeah, I already use Google
Mhm.
and then like go to my email account and then it says the password is wrong.
Let me see. Let me see. Let me see.
Wait, and it's like this.
Oh, you forgot your password. Yeah.
I go to Google, this already have kan. Then I press next, then the password also already have. Wait, here.
Okay.
Cannot.
Wrong password. You sure? And don't show it. Don't show it here. Stop your screen before you. You, s-
Cannot.
you sure is your password?
I forgot my password, I think.
Okay. Maybe your passkey.
That's passkey.
Yeah, it will go. Dia akan ngirim nomor nanti ke HP kamu.
It says turn on Bluetooth.
Ya, turn on.
Done. And then
Just wait. Kalau passkey, they will give you numbers to your phone.
mm,
Cancel. Try another way. Try again.
try another way.
Use passkey. Use passkey and go to your. Yeah, your device, your handphone, your phone will ask you to use your fingerprint, face, or screen lock. You see it on your phone?
Huh? Continue, right?
Mhm. Your phone is Galaxy Note.
I don't know.
Go to the Galaxy Note if your phone is Galaxy Note.
Wait, let me see. Mm. It's Galaxy A32.
Oh, it's not your phone. How about hmm. Yeah, you can scan it. Continue on your phone.
Then
See your phone. Continue.
done.
Done. There you go. Continue. Okay. Okay, it's done. You already signed up to Miro.
Now do I stop share or just keep share?
Just stop.
Okay.
I'm gonna continue my presentation. So this is how we gonna make story. The first one is, like I said, the stage number one, you need to formulating an idea of your story. Okay. So creating a story begins with the concept. Hmm, how you make a story is it have like some techniques. It's called a fantasy binomial method. Jadi ada teknik namanya fantasy binomial method untuk create story, dari game kita. Jadi metode ini tuh there's 5 steps. The first one is set a
Mhm.
goal. Kau pikir dulu tujuan dari game ini apa sih? Apakah mengalahkan musuh? Apakah sampai ke garis finish? Kayak gitu tujuannya. And then you will choose two words that are unrelated in meaning. Kamu pilih dua kata yang
Unrelated.
sesuai dengan game kamu yang sebenarnya tuh nggak ada nyambung-nyambungnya, tapi bermakna di game kamu.
Hmm.
Misalnya, for example, I will choose like petualangan games. Kakak pengen petualangan games petualang itu dia berkelana di hutan. Oke.
Hmm.
Jadi kakak bakal pilih dua kata dari games tersebut. Yang pertama itu ada walking, terus yang kedua ada uh, trees. Jadi ada walking, ada trees, ada berjalan dan pohon. Itu dua kata yang kakak pilih. Sebenarnya itu unrelated kalau secara umum ya.
Yeah.
Nggak ada kaitannya dengan game kita. Tapi itu yang akan menggambarkan bahwa game kita itu nanti itu akan berjalan di pepohonan, berjalan atau beradventure di pepohonan. Gitu. And then you will make up and write down all the possible combination of these words. And then analyze the resulting combination and select the appropriate ones. Think about what kind of story this could be. Jadi sebenarnya yang paling umum sih, kamu set a goal dulu. Kamu pikirin tujuan dari game ini tuh apa sih sebenarnya. Yang paling umum ya, apa yang paling umum dari game itu, kalau nggak ngalahin musuh, sampai ke garis finish. Itu doang. Yang paling
Hmm.
umum. Oke. Oke, jadi gini nih. Contoh dari two words unrelated meaning. Ada win sama book. In the book, book win in the book, and so on, etc. Okay, now let's make your mirror. Let's go to the mirror again. Jadi gini, yang akan kamu buat adalah kamu akan tempelin sticky notes di mirror itu. Oke. Kamu akan
Hmm.
tempelin sticky notes di mirror itu tentang ini nih, about two words and phrase ideas, and then story ideas. Okay.
Do I need to share screen?
Wait. So this is how you make a frame in the first block of Miro.
Hmm.
Okay, you choose the rectangle here, frame, and then choose custom, and then click it. And then if you want to add a sticky notes, there's like sticky notes there. Just add it and click. And you get it? Yeah, let's go. Let's go to the mirror and share screen.
This name?
Mm, 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 mm. This is just use your name.
Okay. What kind of work do I do?
Student, teacher, student.
Mm,
It's my first time personal. Um, don't choose anything from it. Individual, individual,
okay.
individual. Okay. No, no,
This?
no, no. Only me.
Okay.
Okay, just
How
continue.
about this? Okay, continue.
Skip, skip step. Okay, now we will make a frame. Kita akan buat frame dulu di kotak ini. Custom. Ya, kamu bisa ubah-ubah ukuran dari framenya sesuai dengan keinginan kamu. Oke. Nah, kalau kamu mau ganti namanya, ada di sini nama framenya.
Hah? Gimana?
Klik kanan. Nah, rename.
Oh,
Rename.
then?
Story concept. Oke. Now, waktunya bikin two words. Dua kata yang menggambarkan game kamu. Kamu use sticky notes here. Sticky notes, yes. Pilih warnanya,
Hmm,
bebas. Oke, letakkan di dalam. Oke, kamu bisa kecilin. No, no, no.
persis.
Kecilinnya di sudut-sudut nih. Nih. Nah, oke. Sekarang kamu pikirin dua kata deh. Dua kata. Satu kata dulu.
Oh,
First word dulu.
um, any word?
Any word.
Uh,
Any word about your games.
what if I want to make a horror game?
Horror games ya? Boleh, boleh, boleh.
Okay. Horror game what? So I write, what?
The first one, maybe kamu pikirin eh, tentang lokasi. Lokasinya kira-kira mau di mana ya? Tempat
Hospital.
location. Hospital.
Abandoned hospital.
Ya, oke. Just type hospital there. Mhm. Okay, you already found one word, and then the second word. Okay,
Death.
then death. Okay, cool, cool, cool. Okay, now you already found two words, right?
Yeah.
Kamu udah dapetin dua kata.
Mhm.
Sekarang kamu bakal comes up with a phrase idea, kayak kalimat-kalimat yang mendukung atau mendeskripsikan game kamu. Nah, kamu di sini bisa pakai ChatGPT. Oke. Kamu di sini bisa pakai ChatGPT. Okay,
Udah sih itu. So I say make a description.
not make a not description. Make a phrase ideas. Make a phrase ideas about a horror games based on two words. Ba- based based on based on based BASD BA
Oh, base.
based on ya based on two words titik dua titik
Hospital
dua
and that.
oh ya hospital and death
Dah set.
okay no and then kamu set limitation remember
Limitation. One paragraph?
boleh sure
No lah, three sentence saja.
boleh. Hmm.
Dan
Ya dan oke sekarang every sentences ini
copy.
ya kamu tulis di sticky notes satu-satu satu-satu aja satu-satu
Oh,
kok kopinya satu-satu.
ini dan uh,
Bikin sticky note di bawah. Oke, good, good.
put
Di bawah,
over
di
here.
bawah, di bawah, di bawahnya. Oke, good. Bikin sticky note lagi sebelahnya. Copy lagi. Oke, good, 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 good. Kamu sudah copy and paste. Oke,
Okay, dan
after phrase ideas, setelah phrase ideas, next kita bakal comes up with story ideas. Nah, story ideasnya dari mana? Story ideasnya itu dari apa yang di sini. Nah, kamu bikin lagi story ideas di bawah nanti sesuai dengan phrase idea yang ini. Pakai ChatGPT aja.
as okay. Now I say now make a story idea.
Yes, don't use now.
Okay,
Okay, make a story idea. You got it right?
yeah, make a story idea.
About a horror games
Uh,
based on frase ini, kalimat-kalimat ini. Copy paste aja kalimat-kalimatnya. Kalimat-kalimatnya kamu copy paste. Oke, bikin eh, berapa paragraf? Kamu pengen berapa paragraf?
One, oops.
Actually, kamu bisa edit di sini.
Yeah.
Make one paragraph. Oke, apakah itu yang kamu pengen? Apakah kamu yang itu yang pengen kamu ceritain atau kamu pengen
Mhm.
hasil lain? Kalau kamu pengen hasil lain, kamu ask GPT, ya, make it
Mhm.
more apa, more dramatic, more details. Ya, good, 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 good. Hmm.
Uh,
Okay, what is that?
I cannot.
I don't know. Actually, I don't know.
I think I should make it more easy to understand. Yeah, this is more okay.
Okay, copy it.
Oh,
Ya, it's okay. Kamu bisa besarin frame-nya kok. Frame-nya kamu besarin dulu. Ah, there you go.
okay then.
Dan,
Hmm?
okay, if you done, I need you to go to Algonova platform. Algonova. Do you remember your username, password?
Hmm? Oh, I don't remember my password.
Your password is 4951 4951. Okay, go to creating story concept. You could,
Okay, what is the name of the method? Uh,
you remember? Fantasy binomial. Okay, good.
um, first set.
The
Make two
stage,
words.
the stage.
Huh?
Okay, I'm gonna share my screen again, and you will answer. See my screen. Jadi yang pertama itu set a goal.
That's the goal.
Yang pertama itu set a goal.
So why cannot anymore?
You just place it anywhere. Taruh di mana aja.
Huh?
Taruh di mana aja bebas. Taruh di
The
kanan, di
first
kanan.
one can I choose the words can, but it's wrong. I cannot
Mhm.
redo.
You can. Place it here. Place it everywhere. Okay.
Huh?
Place it on the dot. Place it on the dot. Okay.
This?
Yeah,
Yes?
yeah. And then redo the yellow. There you go.
Oh. Mm, and then make mm, this, make up and write down all the possible combination.
Yes.
No? This?
Analyze the resulting combination. Okay, good. Nah, jadi ini presentasinya aja. Kamu bisa skip.
Huh?
This is just a presentation.
Also just skip.
Ya, just skip. Skip to number 3.
Okay.
Oke. Nah, ini yang udah kamu buat tadi. This is what you have
Yes.
done before. So, I
Yeah.
need you go back to Miro again. Here. Go back to Miro again. Okay. And I need you to screenshot it. Kamu bisa screenshot?
Control V.
Nah, screenshot Windows Shift S. Windows Shift S. Terus kamu tarik. Nah, there you go. There you go. Good. Oke, sekarang kamu save gambarnya. Ada muncul nggak?
Enggak.
Nggak. Oke, kalau nggak muncul, mungkin kamu bisa coba ini. Panahin coba. Nah, balik lagi tadi. Nah, save as image saja. Ya, bisa nggak? Oke, oke.
Export.
Export. Ya, oke, sudah ke download.
Okay. Yeah.
Balik lagi. Tutup dulu. Misinya tutup dulu. Oke, sekarang ada ini. Benar. Folder download. Nah,
This.
screenshot. Ya, boleh.
Done.
Oke, dan centang di atas. Saya memecahkan.
Okay, done.
Oke, yellow one. Klik di yellow. Oke, good. Nah, sekarang I will share my screen again. I will share
Okay.
my screen again. It's about a game setting. So basically, game setting or setting is the place and time of the game world existence. Misalnya, ada game yang telling a story about the past.
Hmm.
And then there's a game telling a story about the future. Yes, kind of story, game story like that. Besides the time, ada juga yang cerita misalnya fictional world, cerita bohong-bohongan. Ada juga cerita tentang real world, dunia nyata, kayak gitu. Mungkin bisa kamu kasih contoh nggak? Can you give me a sample uh, of the game using the fictional world or the real world?
Uh, Genshin Impact.
Genshin Impact ya, fictional world, and then the real world.
Real world? Have
Mhm.
a game like that on?
Real world games is like a realistic
Genshin Impact.
Genshin Impact. You think it's a real world? Genshin Impact is a
No, it's
fictional,
not.
right?
Yeah, but if real one,
Mhm.
GTA.
GTA, okay, good. So basically, this setting determines the background of the characters. Misalnya, you used Genshin Impact before, right? You used
No,
Genshin.
I just no,
You don't play Genshin Impact?
no.
Okay. So Genshin Impact is a story about a kingdom in another world, fictional world. Jadi itu akan berpengaruh ke setting karakternya juga. It will affect the setting of the character. Misalnya apakah karakternya punya superpower, apakah karakternya punya eh, kekuatan yang tidak ada di dunia nyata kayak gitu gitu. Senjata-senjatanya juga sambil ada. Hmm. Okay, so basically types of setting can be divided to categories, the realistic one and the fantasy games. This is the example. Yeah,
Ooh.
this is the difference between the realistic and fantasy settings. Wait. Oke, jadi setting juga determines the space available to the player. Ada yang namanya macro and micro. Macro and micro. So macro is like a space, region, country, planet, and the micro level is like just a city or a house, a room. Kalau misalnya kamu tadi hospital, ya berarti itu masuknya adalah micro, skala kecil, skala micro doang. Jadi ini ada game namanya Lifeline. There's a game namanya Lifeline. Lifeline ini ceritanya ada di sebuah planet, ya, moves around the planet, dan goalnya adalah search for useful resources, ya gitu. Dia ada journey di planet itu. Nah, Lifeline ini juga basically text game. Dia nggak ada animasi, nggak ada gambar, cuma teks doang. Tapi story-nya adalah dia berpetualang di planet.
Mm.
So, in your game, di semua game bahkan ada yang namanya mission atau quest.
Yeah,
Ada tujuan, misalnya tujuan akhirnya adalah finish line, garis finish. Atau tujuan akhirnya ada beating the enemy, mengalahkan musuh. Tapi dari perjalanan kita, our journey from the very beginning until the finish line, itu
yeah.
pasti akan ada rintangan, akan ada challenge. Nah, challenge itu adalah mission, adalah quest kita, kayak gitu. Apakah solving puzzles, mengalahkan musuh, exploring eh, object, atau bahkan hanya kalau text game bahkan hanya decision yang harus kita pilih, kayak gitu. And then there's boundaries. Boundaries adalah setting yang harusnya nggak ada di game tersebut. Misalnya kalau gamenya adalah single player,
Ya.
berarti boundaries kita ya kita nggak bisa main sama orang lain. Gitu. Ada yang mau tanyakan dulu? The same thing to us?
No.
Okay, so I need you to go back to Miro again, and we will formulate and write down the setting of your game. Ya,
Okay.
oke.
Share
Jadi,
screen.
jadi ada, jadi yang akan kamu tulis itu ada type, ada scale, lalu ada core-nya, dan ada limits-nya juga. Share screen.
Okay. Oh, wait, sir.
Go to Miro.
Yeah, and then
Oke, kita bikin frame baru. We create
free.
new frame.
So another concept.
Ya, another frame.
Hmm. Wait, yeah.
Hmm. Ya, di sebelah aja. Oke, good.
Then
Nah, di frame ini, the first one you will add a sticky notes. Add one sticky notes.
only
Tambahin
one.
only one first. Tambahin satu dulu.
Any color.
Any color.
Okay. This time I think I want this.
Oke. Oke.
Oh, do it
Did,
right.
did you already make your sticky notes?
Yeah.
Oke. Jadi sticky notes pertama, the first sticky notes is about type of your games. Tipe dari game kamu. Apakah dia
Types of game.
Mhm. Are your games like a realistic one or the fantasy one?
Realistic.
Do you think it's a more realistic or more fantasy of your game?
If horror, I think realistic.
Realistic? Okay, just type realistic games.
Do we need to type like a realistic horror
Ya,
game?
realistic horror games boleh.
Okay.
Okay, just place your sticky notes at the top. Place your sticky notes at the top. Don't be too big. There you go. Good. Oke, di bawahnya pasang sticky notes lagi
About?
about the scale, skala dari game kamu.
Huh?
Scale, skala, scale, scale. Tambahin sticky notes lagi di bawah.
Okay.
Hmm. Hmm.
What scale?
Scale itu yang kayak like I said, if you in a planet, in a country, in a region, there is a macro scale. But if your game is just in a city, just in a room, in a house, or in a hospital like your games is a
Yeah.
micro. So your scale is a micro. Just type micro scale.
So like it's not adventurous.
No, no. Just type micro scale at the hospital.
Okay. My oh, wait.
Good scale at the hospital.
In the beside
Oke, di bawahnya lagi.
down here.
Sekarang fokusnya di game kamu. Fokusnya di game kamu apakah dia menyelesaikan misi atau eh, dialog aja.
Dialogue, what does it mean?
Dialog is like conversation.
Um, how about like
Kayak misinya itu ngapain aja sih di game kamu itu?
a mission to
Mm,
survive
mm.
and
Ya,
get out of the hospital?
you write it. You write it down.
Okay.
New sticky notes at the bottom. The bottom. Place it on the bottom. Okay, good. Hmm.
Then what was it again?
The mission.
The mission. The mission is to escape or survive. I
Yeah,
don't know.
escape.
So run
Es-
away from the wait, how?
Escape boleh.
Escape and survive
Ya, boleh, boleh. Sure, sure.
can be two things.
Ya, it can be many things.
It can be
Yang
more than two.
yang menggambarkan game kamu ini seperti apa sih?
Okay.
Misalnya, misalnya kan game Genshin Impact itu atau Mobile Legends itu tentang perebutan markas.
Hmm.
Kalau Genshin Impact itu tentang apa sih Genshin Impact? I don't know.
Glory.
Ya,
So I read the mission is about
is there any problem there?
huh?
Is there any problem there?
How to write it?
Okay, like how you describe your games, you know? Game ini tentang apa sih? Like you said, tentang escaping, tentang survive. Just write it.
So so I say mission is about escaping and running.
Ya boleh. Sure.
Okay. Mission is about escaping and surviving.
Escaping and surviving. Okay,
Need to put
last.
dot?
Yeah, done.
Dah.
Last one, sticky notes. Sticky notes again at the bottom.
Cannot anymore.
Just bigger your frames. Yeah, there you go. Okay. One sticky notes again at the bottom. It's about boundaries, batasan. Batasan apa aja yang ada di game itu. Nah,
Like, huh? Don't understand.
batasan itu misalnya apakah solo player, apakah dia bisa menggunakan barang, apakah dia bisa kekuatan super kayak gitu.
So we need to describe all of that.
Ya, just write the boundaries, batasannya kamu tulis aja.
Wait, let me think what boundaries. I don't know though.
You don't know. Mungkin
No.
batasannya apakah kamu bisa berlari atau enggak.
Hannah, pasti. But
Kayak
have the wait. can run but have the stamina, something like that.
Yeah. The stamina is the boundaries. Write it
Oh,
down.
so I write can run
Mhm. But
but
have
have stamina.
stamina. Okay, another one. Mungkin apakah ada
We need to
barang-barang
make
yang
another sticky note
no
or
no
another one.
no 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 need to.
Okay.
Apakah ada barang-barang yang harus digunakan?
Um, uh, like how to escape then?
Mhm. Barang-barang
Or
apa? Mungkin
oh, how about like a place to hide?
place to hide, boleh?
Place to hide?
Boleh, ya.
Okay.
Sure. Hmm,
A locker or a place? This is it.
a place to hide.
And then
And then another limitation, mungkin
mm,
lightningnya. Kita butuh lightning atau enggak?
flashlight.
Flashlight, boleh.
No need lah.
No need flashlight. Just it.
A
Okay.
key to like open doors.
Ya, sure. Oke.
A key to open doors. But like one of it might be a trap or scary thing.
Boleh. Sure.
Like how to write then?
Hmm, one of it like
Some of it.
some of it you need to solve mystery, right?
Huh?
Some of the key you need to solve it to find it, right? You want like that?
Maybe?
Yeah.
I don't know. Sure. Wait. So like they have to think, but that's like an escape room.
Escape room. Oke, jadi untuk keluar dari escape room to go run away to escape from the escape room, you need to find a key, right? Okay.
Yeah.
How do you find the key? The key is hidden, right?
Yeah.
The key is hidden. So, because the key is hidden, you need to solve mystery.
So I write
So there is a mystery to find the key. Just write it. Mystery to find the key. Or solve a puzzle, solve a riddle, solve a riddle. Yeah, solve a riddle.
puzzle aja.
Puzzle boleh.
To get the key.
To get the key, yeah, sure. Can. Okay, and then go to Algonova again.
To screenshot it.
Yeah, later.
Okay. Wait, let me beat this up. Okay.
Game setting.
Type.
Type.
Does this mean?
Defines the
Oh,
nature of the word.
scale is
Scale.
this.
Mhm.
Focus is this.
Yeah.
And this one is this.
Okay. Just go to number 2. Next one. Yeah, upload again.
I need to
Upload.
photo.
Yeah, you need to screenshot.
Mm, mm,
Remember? Yeah. Good.
mm.
Okay. Okay, last one of our topic. It's been a long time. So this is the last time. I will share my screen. So last thing is about a game lore. Like I said, the game
Game
lore
lore.
adalah backstory ya, backstory about the game.
Hmm?
Kayak misalnya tadi kamu bilang Eudora Eudora have a lore. Misalnya dia backstory-nya dia adalah dewa petir, the god of thunder, something like that. Okay. Now, consider your main character have a game lore. Ya, main karakter di game
So like
kamu.
how did he get into the hospital?
Ya. Sure. How they get into hospital and how the enemy lore, the backstory of it, why the hospital is scary, why the hospital is horror, something like that.
Okay.
Okay, you see? And then this is basic rules for writing a lore. So a lore should match the selected setting. Jadi lore itu harus match sama setting yang udah kamu buat tadi di Miro.
Okay.
Nah, dan juga lore-nya itu should be consistent dan mempengaruhi dari karakter. Misalnya eh, kita ngambil karakter yang lain ya, karakter di game lain. Misalnya ada karakter polisi. There is a police character in another game. Jadi segala dialog, segala sikap dia, every dialogues they made harus sesuai dengan perannya dia, sesuai dengan peran gitu loh.
Hmm.
Sesuai dengan kalau polisi itu ternyata kayak gimana sih? Kayak gitu.
Sir, you live in Bandung.
Ya, I live in Bandung.
In Bandung have demo?
Of course.
Yeah, huh?
Yeah, I have. Of course.
Mm.
Why?
Is it scary?
Now if you stay at home, it's not scary.
But if you go out, yeah,
If you go out, yeah,
like very scary.
very scary actually. So it's like burning everywhere.
Burning.
Yeah, burning police station. Police station get burned.
Wow. Okay.
Okay, if you want to set a game lore, we use ChatGPT again. Okay.
Okay.
But since we actually it's 12, right?
Yeah.
So we can continue it later, Karen.
Okay.
Before I close this lesson, do you have anything to ask before?
No.
No? You live in Medan? Is it not scary in Medan?
No.
The
Not that
demonstration?
scary. No.
Did your school dismiss yesterday?
No.
No.
Still go to school.
Still you go to school? Okay, good. So I wish you good health, good condition with your family, Karen, yeah?
Yeah, okay.
And everything's be okay with your family and your friends too. Do you have anything to ask before I close?
No.
Not really. Okay,
Yeah.
so I think that's enough for today. And next meeting, we will
Continue this.
continue this and start making our games into text games. Jadi akan ada aplikasi.
Wait. So do I like close this thing?
Ya. You just stop sharing.
Okay.
Nah, jadi nanti akan ada aplikasi. There is application. It's called Twine. Ya. Kamu bisa akses dari website atau bisa download juga boleh. It's up to you.
Okay.
It's Twine. Okay. You think it's enough today?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. And I see you in next Saturday, Karen.
Yeah.
Bye bye. Have
Okay,
a
bye,
good one.
sir.
Thank you.